little bit of meat in it. Probably that one. I'll just keep doing that until we get a full crucible. There we go. Here we go, guys, brass ingots. So I don't think that's enough for one. If that's not enough for one, we'll keep that going. They're going to polish up nice, I reckon. I might even polish these, I don't know. We'll see how we go. Which means it's going to burn the zinc off. Right. There. Shut that again. Gonna muck around, but anyway, we'll get back over here. Try and set this up nicely. This is probably going to cool down too quick, I don't know. There we go. Keep you going. I should get another 4, maybe 5 amps. Got this in this time. When you're pouring, try not to spill it like that, just that little dot that I did before. Oh my glove, it's killing me. Yeah, we're going to get 5 out of this one. There we go. So put that back. Alright, let's weigh all this stuff. So we got that, got that. We got 8 kilo. Probably can't see that, can you? 8.2. So we got 8.7 kilos of brass. There we go. Just zoomed you out a bit. Rightio, so let's start stacking these in there. Gotta remember I'm videoing, don't I? So that can go there like that. Like that. How much more this shelf's going to take. And we've got a nice little one there. Two big ones here maybe. Nice shiny one. See, it's only $7.50, that one. I reckon I'll stamp that, polish that one later and stamp it. So there you go. That's all my brass. I've got brass back here as well. That's brass as well. So anyway, so there's all the brass. And there's the copper. I'm happy with that. Bronze can go there. There you go, guys. If you like that, subscribe and like and all the rest of it. Cheers, guys.